Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to do time remapping in After Effects. After starting After Effects, we can go to here to create a new composition. I will keep this setting and press OK. So our composition is created. Next, we can go to File folder. I have a video in MP4 file format. I drag and drop into After Effects project, and then drag and drop into composition. So a video is imported into composition. Next, we can right-click on the layer and then go to time, and we can find Enable Time Remapping, or we can use shortcut Ctrl Alt T to use time remapping. I click it, and then we can find time remapping under the layer. Next, we can find the keyframe. For example, if we adjust it, we can make it shorter and fast, or we can extend it and make it slower. Or we can add the keyframe in the middle and we can trim the video. So this is how we can do time remapping in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.